you are going to see this all the time. When you get to your community medicine, you will see it in what is called a normal curve, bell-shaped curve. You will keep on seeing this shape. What does it mean? When you have no stress down here, what is your performance? 0. If this college decided you will not have any exam for 4.5 years, it would be great, right? Yeah. You think so, but then you will come out and you won't know anything. Because 4.5 years of partying and dunking classes, nothing will happen. Okay? Now, see, the very fact you are here means you did quite decent in your studies, okay? And if you had got 0 in your studies, there's no hope of anybody coming here. Which meant that already you have experienced, you need a little bit of stress to even get up in the morning, a little more to do what you need to do, and you have to be at your peak, optimal level of stress for your peak efficiency and peak performance. This is called positive stress. And if you look at your orientation book, they have stressed on optimum positive stress. We want to give you the optimum stress that you will be the best you that you can be, and that is where it is. But then what happens? This is all eustress. Eu means normal, physiological, good. Eustress. But then once you go beyond this, what starts to happen? The more stressed you become. If I every day say I am going to come here and give you half an hour of yoga, it's nice for this orientation. But then if I keep on doing it day in, day out, there will be one point where in a pathale, BP agra. Okay? That should not happen. When somebody sees me, the BP should go down. Then I become a good therapist. But if it starts to go up, that means something is wrong. What happens here? You go into distress. And so what we are doing in yoga is we are not just activating, but we also want to deactivate. Okay? But what do you do first? Activate. If I deactivate first and activate, nothing is going to happen. You have to first activate and then you have to bring about balance. When the rocket takes off, it has to first take off. Then it has to go into orbit as a satellite. When the plane takes off, it has to first have the dynamic takeoff and then sustain it. But if you say, I'm going to sustain it down here, you never take off.